So next one, Cauchy's theorem. So according to Cauchy's theorem, if a function f of z is analytic at all points inside and a simple closed curve C, then integral over c f of z dz is 0. So a function f of z, so this is the region C. The function f of z is analytic inside the C and on this C, on every point of the C. Then we can say that integral over c f of z dz is 0. Okay, it is analytic everywhere. Everywhere means inside this C and on this curve. Then integral over c f of z dz will be 0. Analytic ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ value 0 ആയിരിക്കും. Then if there are, suppose there are singular points z1, z2, etc., zn. That means singular points means the points where the function is not analytic. f of z is not analytic. So if there are points, some points there which are singular points, that means the function is not analytic at those points z1, z2, etc., zn. Then we have to check whether these points are lying inside C or on the boundary of C or it is outside C. So if these points lies outside C, then what about the analyticity of this function inside and on the curve C? Then it is analytic everywhere. Inside and on the curve, it is analytic everywhere. Analytic. So integral over c f of z dz will be 0. But if there are some points, singular points, suppose z1 is lying inside C, but and this point is not, that means this point z1 is not analytic. z1 is a point of singular point, that is z1 is a point at which the function is not analytic. Then we have to use Cauchy's integral formula. Okay, that means integral over c f of z dz by z minus z0 dz is 2 pi I into f of z0. So by Cauchy's integral formula, if z is equal to z0 is a singular point, from this itself we can easily identify that if the denominator z minus z0 is 0, then we get z is equal to z0. This is at z is equal to z0, the function will be this will be infinity. That means z is equal to z0 is a point where this function is not analytic. So z is equal to z0 is a singular point. So we can say that this point is a singular point. Singular point is a point at which it is not analytic. Okay, so z is equal to z0 is a singular point. So we have to find if z0 is a point inside C, okay, inside the curve C. If it lies inside C, then this integral value will be 2 pi I into f of z0. But if z is equal to z0 lies outside C, then by Cauchy's theorem this integral will be 0. Okay. So there is a question. Evaluate integral over c z square minus 3z plus 1 by z minus 3 into z plus 4, where c is mod z is equal to 2. So for this question, c is the circle, mod z is equal to 2. That means this is a circle with the center at 0 and radius 2. Okay, so suppose this point integral over c z square minus 3z plus 1 by z minus 3 into z plus 4 dz. We have to evaluate this integral. So is there any singular points? That means is there any points at which the function is not analytic? By looking into the denominator, we can say that z minus 3 into z plus 4 is 0. If this product is 0, then the function is not analytic. That means z minus 3 0 or z plus 4 is equal to 0. That means z is equal to 3 or z is equal to minus 4. So we can say that z is equal to 3 and minus 4 are the singular points. That is, if we substitute these points, the function will not be analytic or it will be infinity. Okay, so z is equal to 3 and minus 4 are the singular points, and which is the region? Our C is mod z is equal to 2. So we have to find whether these points z is equal to 3 and minus 4 lying inside C or outside C. If z is equal to 3, mod z is 2, that is mod 3 is 2. That means mod 3 means 3. Okay, mod z is mod 3 is not equal to 2. Mod 3 means 3. 3 is greater than 2. Okay, right hand side is radius is 2. So 3 will be modulus of 3 is 3. 3 is greater than 2. That means greater than 2 means at the if z is equal to 3, this point lies outside C. It is greater than the radius. Given circle, the radius of the given circle is 2, but here the radius is 3. That means the given point lies outside C. Okay. Then if z is equal to minus 4, modulus of minus 4 is 4, and 4 is also greater than 2. So that also lies outside C. So if the singular points are lying outside C, what about this integral along C? That means mod z is equal to 2. So inside C and on the circle C, mod z is equal to 2. The function is analytic because there are some points which are not analytic, but they lie outside C. That we don't bother. Therefore, by Cauchy's theorem, integral over C z square minus 3z plus 1 by z minus 3 into z plus 4 is 0. Okay.